Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials. Today, we're diving deep into some of the top trending tools and frameworks that are making waves in the developer community. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, these tools promise to elevate your coding game. So, let's jump right in. But first if you're new in my channel and interested in learning more about AI and AutoGPT updates, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing new videos on a regular basis, so you'll never miss a thing. So, let's get started. EmbedChain, the LLM powerhouse. First on our list is EmbedChain. Now, if you've been intrigued by the power of large language models, or LLMs, EmbedChain is something you'll want to explore. It's a framework that's all about supercharging LLMs. Imagine being able to embed a vast array of resources, from detailed articles to insightful videos, directly into a bot's knowledge base. That's what EmbedChain offers. It's not just about accessing information. It's about making that information interactive. Developed by Taranjit Singh, EmbedChain is gaining traction for its innovative approach. It's not just for chatbots. It's about transforming how we interact with data. For developers, the potential applications are vast, from enhancing customer support to creating interactive educational platforms. And the best part? Comprehensive documentation is available, making it a breeze to get started. Dioxys, crafting seamless web apps. Next up, we have Dioxys. In the realm of web development, Dioxys stands out as a reactive front-end framework. It's all about creating web applications that are responsive, maintainable, and scalable. Dioxys champions the idea of reactivity. This means your user interface stays perfectly in sync with the underlying data. No more manual updates or lags. And for those who prioritize performance, Dioxys has got you covered. Its optimized rendering engine ensures your applications remain snappy, no matter how complex. But it's not just about the tech. Dioxys also focuses on the developer experience. With a clean API and support for a component-based architecture, it's a joy to work with. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, Dioxys is a tool worth exploring. So let's move to next. NTFI. Stay updated. Always ever wished for a simple way to get notifications from your scripts directly to your phone or desktop? Enter NTFY. It's an HTTP-based pub/sub notification service that's all about simplicity. With NTFY, you can send notifications from any computer without any sign-up or fees. It's as straightforward as sending a request. And for those who want more, there's NTFI Pro, offering additional features and functionalities. The community around NTFY is vibrant, with channels like Discord and Matrix for direct communication. Whether you're a developer integrating notifications into your project or just someone who loves staying updated, NTFY promises to be a game changer. Let's move to next. NX, the monorepo maestro. Monorepos have been a buzzword in the developer community for a while now. They promise a unified code base, easier collaboration, and streamlined development. But managing a monorepo can be challenging. Enter Nex. Developed by NRWL, NX is a powerhouse when it comes to handling monorepos. It's not just a tool, it's a complete ecosystem. With NX, you can build full-stack applications using a shared code base, ensuring consistency across the board. But what truly sets NX apart is its extensibility. It supports a plethora of frameworks and libraries, from React and Angular to Node and Nest.js. This means you can craft applications tailored to your needs without compromising on the benefits of a monorepo. NX also champions best practices. With built-in code generators, it ensures that your projects adhere to the best architectural practices. And with its integrated testing tools, you can be confident that your code is robust and reliable. In essence, NX is more than just a dev tool. It's a vision of how monorepos should be managed, ensuring scalability, maintainability, and performance. Let's move to next. CasaOS, the ultimate home server experience. In the age of IoT and smart homes, having a centralized system to manage all your devices is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. CasaOS emerges as a frontrunner in this space, offering an all-in-one home server OS solution. Developed by Icewhale Tech, CasaOS is not just about connecting devices, it's about enhancing the user experience. Whether you're streaming media, managing your smart devices, or accessing cloud storage, CasaOS promises a seamless experience. One of the standout features of CasaOS is its modular architecture. You can pick and choose the services you need, ensuring a tailored experience. From Plex and Jellyfin for media streaming to Home Assistant for smart device management, CasaOS supports a plethora of applications. But CasaOS isn't just for tech enthusiasts. With its intuitive dashboard and user-friendly interface, even those new to home servers can get started with ease. And with its active community and comprehensive documentation, you're never alone on your CasaOS journey. In a nutshell, CasaOS is redefining the home server experience. It's a blend of power, flexibility, and user-friendliness, promising to transform your home into a smart, connected ecosystem. NextUI, crafting stunning React interfaces. User interfaces are the gateway to any application. They need to be intuitive, responsive, and visually appealing. For React developers, achieving this balance can be challenging. But with NextUI, it's a whole different story. Developed by the team at NextUI.org, NextUI is a modern React component library that champions minimalism. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Beneath the hood, NextUI is packed with features that promise to elevate your UI game. Each component in NextUI is crafted with attention to detail. From buttons and cards to modals and tooltips, every element is designed to offer the best user experience. And with its themey support, you can tailor the look and feel of your interface to match your brand. But NextUI isn't just about aesthetics. It's about performance. With its optimized codebase, NextUI ensures that your interfaces are not only beautiful, but also blazing fast. And for those keen on customization, NextUI offers extensive documentation and examples, ensuring you can tweak and tailor components to your heart's content. In conclusion, NextUI is a testament to the power of modern web development. It's a blend of design, functionality, and performance, ensuring that your React applications stand out from the crowd. Conclusion. As we wrap up today's deep dive into these incredible tools and frameworks, it's evident that the developer world is brimming with innovation. From managing monorepos with NX to crafting stunning React interfaces with NextUI, there's a tool for every need. These projects not only simplify our tasks, but also open doors to new possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top trending tools for developers and programmers. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to AutoGPT Tutorials for more insights into the tech world. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep coding, and stay curious.